Hey! In front of me is TCL Tab 10L, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications on this tablet. First of all, just access Settings and tap on Apps and Notifications over here. Then you need to select Notifications, scroll down just a bit, and click on See All from last 7 days. After that, tap on Most Recent and click on one of those options: Most Recent, Most Frequent or Turned Off. I will go with Most Frequent. Then, click on the switcher next to an app from which you want to disable notifications from. I will go with Google Play Store. As you can see, all notifications from Google Play Store are now off. If you wish to turn them back on, just click on the same switcher. But you can always just tap on one of your apps over here instead and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!